This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.
You want TV on every screen in your house, and so far it's worked well, but now there's mobile. How do you solve that? Stay tuned.
CES is also sponsored in part by GoDaddy.com. Domain names, cloud hosting, dedicated servers, plus all of them easy to manage and configure. GoDaddy has all your web needs. Visit TPN.TV/GoDaddy for special offers.
Hi, I'm Andy McCaskey for SDR News and the Tech Podcasts Network. We're here with the folks at HDHomeRun, and Ted is going to look at the traditional product that you've had out for 18 months, and we'll talk about that, and then we'll talk about this mobile problem and how it has developed.
Great.
If you go to your local retailer, you're going to be able to find HDHomeRun.
Yeah.
And what's the price point on this box right here?
MSRP is $199. It averages about $179. Certainly there's promotions throughout the year, but it's a price point of $179 out there for 3 tuners.
Okay, so what this does is we turn it over here, you put your cable card in this particular slot. This hooks to your local area network, correct?
Yes. So you're bringing the RF in, so your cable feed in, and then you're going out to your router or your switch, and now you've got network connected tuners that all have their own IP address.
Okay. So you're then able to connect to that IP address from applications in various desktop devices and so forth.
Exactly. So with conditional access, you're able to stream all your content that you pay for from your cable provider to over your computers in the home. And then now, as we'll get into here in a moment, talking about all screens in your home.
Okay. So it's a little bit more of a problem. Now, the data comes down, it's pulled from ATSC, and it's encoded in what kind of a format that's distributed through the LAN?
So we do both the ATSC as well as the QAM for the U.S. cable. So it's distributed as an MPEG-2. So it's a native broadcast stream in MPEG-2 across the entire network.
Okay. And so the problem comes is when you start to hook up a portable device, and we'll look at that solution in just a moment. Say hello to your customers with a beautiful website from GoDaddy.com. If there was a way that you could stay focused on your business without the hassle and expense of website development, you'd want to hear about it. And that's the reason why I think you would benefit from GoDaddy's Website Builder product. You can be online in just minutes because it's a drag and drop design process. It'll look great on mobile devices, and you can choose from over 300 templates and 8,700 stock photos already cleared for copyright. Website Builder is customizable, and it's all business. There are options for Facebook, YouTube, eBay, MapQuest, Yelp, and of course PayPal, so you can gain revenue from your website. And best of all, for CES, a dynamic discount WST 50. That's a 50% discount if you act today, and that's important because it's a limited time offer and you must act quickly. Keep your eye on the ball, focus on your business, not website design, with Website Builder from GoDaddy. Code WST50, all at GoDaddy.com. So tablets are great, smartphones are great, but you hook them up to this system and not so great.
Not so great. The processors in a second screen device, not so great to be able to process MPEG-2. You want and pay for your HD content. It's hard to stream that over a Wi-Fi network in a house. You're going to tax that bandwidth of your Wi-Fi, and it definitely won't go to any kind of tablet. So had to come up with some kind of solution for that.
Okay, and not only a solution, but a new piece of hardware as well.
Yeah, so where we talked about this is a full DLNA device that streams across the home in MPEG-2. Now we got to figure out that whole tablet concept. We got to figure out the Wi-Fi concept. How do we continue to get the premium content and the HD content throughout the entire house? So now, taking the idea of streaming and that freedom, we've introduced the next generation HDHomeRun product. So what this is a 4-tuner, RF in, IP out, also cable card, but this also has hardware transcode. So we're doing full 4 streams of hardware transcode from MPEG-2 down to H.264 across the entire home.
All right. So on a single chip, you're taking these four streams and doing that code. That chip's working pretty hard.
That chip's working really hard. So you can basically have 4 tablet devices, 4 iOS devices, or 4 Android devices, 4 phone devices, all stream at the same time, independently of each other, full HD content in an H.264 going onto those devices and be able to view it now.
Okay. Now, can you still have, does the bus start to saturate? Can you still pull other on PC screens at the same time?
You sure can. So basically what it's allowing is, because it knows when to transcode and when not to transcode. Now that we're going beyond just the PCs, just the computers in your home, and now to every device because of DLNA and the interconnected home, if you have a smart TV that's connected to your wired, it knows it's going to take that one stream and it's going to take it in full MPEG-2 1080i on your nice 60-inch. Then somebody in the other room opens up their iPad and now they want to stream to their iPad. They're taking that next stream and they're bringing it over there. It transcodes that so you can watch it there. Somebody goes in the backyard at the same time, and now they bring their laptop out and they want to watch a stream there. It knows it's going over Wi-Fi. It can transcode there. You've got an all-in-one in the kitchen and you want to watch the cooking show and see what you want to cook. That's connected via wired in your kitchen because you've wired it up in there. That may still come in either on a transcoded or on the native MPEG-2, depending on what it needs for that device.
Yeah, and so, all transparent, all without any user intervention at all.
Exactly. We do a dynamic tuner allocation, so it doesn't matter who's coming on. It just automatically takes them to the next tuner. They don't have to think about it.
Okay, so maybe second quarter?
Second quarter we're looking at, maybe late second quarter, early third at the latest, but that's our push to try to get it out. And so basically what you're going to see is viewing applications on all the devices throughout your home, Android tablets, iOS devices, TVs, and you're going to see our bright green HD logo on those. You're going to push that, click it, the TV just starts playing, then the experience begins on any device anywhere in the home.
Excellent. Price point yet?
We're looking at trying to be very competitive what we are now. So we talked about $199, $179 MSRP. We know that it will continue to work its price down. This will hopefully be right in that competitive area. So the customer's now going to be able to have a price option a little bit lower here, a little bit higher here, more features, more tuners, and now they can choose what's best for their home.
Excellent. Ted, where can people go for more information?
You can go to HDHomeRun.com and take it out, take a look, see where to buy it, see what more information, and we'll be expanding as we what we're doing called Project Connect throughout the entire year, adding richer experiences to all of this, adding EPG, adding DVR throughout the entire year. Keep watch HD Home Run, join our blogs, get on the mailing list. You'll learn more all the way through the year.
Excellent, excellent. And you know, we talked about the problem, we know how to solve the problem, and not only that, we know why the problem exists, and we also know we don't have to worry about it. I'm Andy McCaskey for SGR News and the Tech Podcast Network at CES 2013.
This is the Tech Podcast Network. If it's tech, it's here.